Welcome to our video on how to naturally boost your immune system. In a world brimming with quick fixes and magic pills, we often overlook the power of simple natural strategies to fortify our body's defenses. Your immune system is your personal security detail, working tirelessly to guard against invaders and keep you healthy. But even the most diligent guards can benefit from a boost. So, how can you naturally bolster your immune system's arsenal? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about something fundamental, yet immensely powerful, in keeping your immune system fighting fit: the food you eat. It's easy to view meals and snacks merely as pleasures or fuel for your next physical endeavor. However, there's so much more. They're the very foundation of a strong immune system. Each bite is an opportunity to arm your body's defenders with the nutrients they need to protect you. It's akin to outfitting your immune cells with cutting-edge equipment, readying them to fend off any health threats that come your way. So, what should you fill your plate with to build this fortress of health? The secret lies in a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are pivotal for immune health. Vitamin C, for instance, is not just any nutrient. It's a powerhouse antioxidant known for bolstering the immune system. It aids in protecting your cells, producing essential white blood cells, and accelerating their response to infections. While citrus fruits are the poster children for vitamin C, don't overlook strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwi fruit, which are also rich in this essential vitamin. Then there's vitamin E, another superhero antioxidant, crucial for immune system regulation. You can find it in nuts and seeds like almonds and sunflower seeds, and even in greens such as spinach and broccoli. But the story doesn't end with vitamin C and E. A whole spectrum of antioxidants present in berries, green tea, and dark chocolate can combat oxidative stress and inflammation, possibly lowering the risk of chronic conditions. Don't forget about zinc, a mineral indispensable for the development and communication of immune cells and managing inflammation. With sources ranging from meat and shellfish to legumes and whole grains, ensuring enough zinc in your diet is key to a responsive and robust immune system. Integrating these nutrient-rich foods into your daily diet transforms eating into an act of defense, creating a dietary shield against diseases. And remember, it's not just about enjoying a delicious meal. It's a deliberate strategy to prime your immune system, ready to defend you at a moment's notice. After talking about how eating the right foods can help your immune system, let's look at something else that's super important: moving your body. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it plays a big role in keeping your immune system strong and ready to fight off sickness. When you move around, you help your blood and the special cells that fight germs move around better too. This means your body can do a better job of finding and getting rid of any germs that might make you sick. But here's some good news. You don't have to do really hard workouts to help your immune system. You don't need to run really far or lift super heavy weights. What's more important is that you find activities you enjoy and do them regularly. Going for a quick walk, riding your bike at a comfortable pace, or doing some relaxing yoga are all great ways to help keep your immune system working well. Doing these kinds of activities is good for two big reasons. First, they help make sure that all parts of your body, including your immune cells, get the oxygen and food they need to work best. Second, moving your body helps lower stress, which is really important because too much stress can make your immune system weaker. Starting to move more, along with eating well, is a great combo for your immune system. Think of exercise as a way to make your immune system stronger and more ready to protect you from getting sick. So put on your sneakers, grab your bike, or unroll your yoga mat, and start giving your immune system the boost it needs to keep you healthy. Moving on from the solid foundation set by a nutritious diet and regular exercise, we find ourselves facing a less visible but equally significant challenge to our health: stress. Known by many as the silent enemy, stress, particularly the long-lasting kind, can weaken our immune system. It's like a slow poison, releasing stress hormones such as cortisol that gradually wear down our body's defenses, leaving us more open to getting sick. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There's a bright side, a way to loosen stress's tight hold on our well-being. The secret? Actively engaging in activities that cut down on stress and its harmful impacts. Meditation and mindfulness are more than just modern buzzwords. They're age-old methods proven to soothe the mind, cut down on stress hormones, and foster a sense of calm and balance. By giving our minds a break through these practices, just as we feed our bodies with good food and keep them moving, we can significantly boost our immune system. But there's more to beating stress than just meditation. Diving into hobbies and pursuits that light up your world can also be a huge relief. Whether it's painting, gardening, making music, or any other activity that absorbs you completely, these passions act as a therapy of their own. They offer a much-needed pause from life's daily rush, reducing stress and setting the stage for a thriving immune system. By adding stress management to our toolkit alongside diet and exercise, we complete a holistic approach to boosting our immune health. It's a gentle reminder that taking care of ourselves means paying attention to our emotional and mental health too, not just the physical. Discovering your personal mix of stress relief methods can change the way you look after your health, equipping your immune system to be stronger and more ready for whatever challenges come your way. After tackling diet, exercise, and the art of managing stress, we arrive at another critical yet often overlooked pillar of immune strength: sleep. In today's world, where being busy is often worn as a badge of honor, sleep can be pushed aside for the sake of productivity or late-night entertainment. But underestimating the value of a good night's rest could be one of the biggest health mistakes we make. Sleep isn't just downtime. It's an active phase of recovery, repair, and reinforcement, especially vital for our immune system. During those precious hours of sleep, our bodies are busy. They repair the wear and tear of daily life, cement memories, and dial down stress. More crucially, this time supercharges our immune system. This is when your body produces essential warriors like cytokines, T cells, and interleukin-12, priming them for the defense of your well-being. Cutting short on sleep, it's like sending your immune soldiers to the front line under-equipped. For adults, hitting that sweet spot of 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is key. And it's not just about the duration, but the quality of sleep that counts. Creating a calm, inviting sleep environment, sticking to a regular sleep schedule, and establishing a pre-sleep routine devoid of electronic distractions are all strategies to help you dive deep into restorative sleep. These practices ensure that your sleep is not just ample, but truly rejuvenating, equipping your immune system with what it needs to function at its best. The significance of sleep in keeping our immune system in tip-top shape cannot be emphasized enough. It follows closely behind stress management as a vital component of our immune-enhancing toolkit. Lack of adequate sleep leaves more than just bags under your eyes. It compromises your immune system, leaving it ill-prepared to face health challenges. Far from being a sign of laziness, prioritizing sleep is a smart health strategy. It lays a strong foundation for an immune system ready to defend you against any threat. And by ensuring we get the restorative rest our bodies crave, we invest in an immune system that remains vigilant and robust, ready to protect us around the clock. Following our exploration of sleep, stress management, nutritious eating, and exercise, we delve into a critical yet easily overlooked pillar of immune health: hydration. The simple act of drinking water transcends mere thirst quenching, serving as the backbone for our immune system's optimal function. This process facilitates everything from nutrient transport to the flushing of toxins, underpinning a healthy immune response. Central to hydration's role is its impact on the lymphatic system. According to a study in Frontiers in Immunology in 2018, the lymphatic system, reliant on lymph, a fluid predominantly made up of water, plays a vital role in immune surveillance and response. Proper hydration ensures this system operates smoothly, allowing for efficient immune cell trafficking and detoxification. Moreover, adequate water intake is pivotal for the detoxification process. In 2020, the Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics notes that sufficient fluid intake supports kidney function, enabling the body to excrete waste products and toxins that, if accumulated, could impair immune function. The National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine suggests that an adequate daily fluid intake is about 3.7 liters for men and 2.7 liters for women from all beverages and food, highlighting the importance of hydration for overall well-being, including immune health. Additionally, research in the journal Nutrients in 2019 points out that even mild dehydration can negatively affect cognitive and physical performance, indirectly impacting immune health by affecting our ability to manage stress and maintain healthy lifestyle choices. By weaving in these insights from scientific literature, we see the multifaceted role of hydration in immune health, emphasizing that maintaining adequate hydration is more than just a good habit. It's a foundational strategy for supporting a robust immune system. As we look into natural ways to boost our immune health, we find some awesome helpers from nature. Herbs. Echinacea, elderberry, and garlic are like helpers for our immune system, each with their own ways of keeping us from getting sick. Echinacea is famous for its ability to help prevent colds and even make them go away faster. It works by making our immune system quicker to react to germs. Elderberry is full of good stuff like antioxidants and vitamins that help give our immune system a big high five. It's especially good at helping to kick flu symptoms to the curb. Then there's garlic, which not only makes our food taste great but also packs a punch against infections thanks to something in it called allicin. While these herbs sound amazing, and they're most effective when they join forces with other healthy habits like eating right, staying active, getting enough sleep, drinking plenty of water, and keeping stress in check. They're part of the team, not the whole game. Adding these herbs to your diet can be a great way to give your immune system an extra edge. They bring a bit of nature's magic into our lives, offering another layer of protection. However, it's important to remember that just because these are natural, doesn't mean they can't clash with medications or certain health conditions. So, it's a good idea to chat with a doctor before you start adding them to your daily routine. They can help make sure these herbs help rather than accidentally causing any issues or conflicts with your current medication. As we look for natural ways to make our immune system stronger, like eating healthy foods, drinking lots of water, and using certain herbs, we also find how important it is to spend time outside. Being outdoors does a lot of good for us. It doesn't just help us feel relaxed, it actually makes our immune system stronger. When we're outside, we breathe in fresh air, which feels great and is good for our lungs. We also get sunlight, which our body needs to make vitamin D. Vitamin D is super important for fighting off germs and keeping our immune system working right. A study published in the British Medical Journal, BMJ, has shown that vitamin D supplementation can help protect against acute respiratory infections. This connection between vitamin D and immune function highlights the significance of incorporating sunlight exposure into our daily routine as part of a comprehensive approach to immune health. But it's not just about our bodies. Being in nature makes us feel calm and less stressed, which is really good because too much stress can make our immune system weak. Doing simple things like going for a walk, working in the garden, or just sitting near water can make us feel better and help our immune system stay strong. Also, when we're outside, we move around more, which is good for our health, and we're around different kinds of tiny bugs and germs. This might sound bad, but it's actually good because it helps build a strong group of good bacteria in our body, which helps protect us. Don't worry, you don't need to do big things to enjoy nature. Just stepping outside to get some sun or taking care of a small plant can help us feel connected to the world and remind us that we're part of something bigger. Spending time in nature is a simple but powerful way to help our immune system and our overall health. As we've journeyed together through the array of natural strategies to boost our immune system, from the foods we eat and the water we drink, to the power of herbs and the essential acts of moving our bodies, managing stress, getting quality sleep, and connecting with nature, we've seen how each piece fits into the bigger picture of our health and well-being. These aren't just individual actions, they're interconnected threads in the fabric of a lifestyle that nurtures our body's defense mechanisms. Remember, bolstering your immune system isn't about quick fixes or magic bullets. It's about creating a sustainable, balanced approach to living that honors your body's needs and rhythms. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you're not just defending against illness, you're investing in a foundation of health that can support you through the seasons of life. And now, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or tips for boosting immunity naturally in the comments below. Your insights could be the encouragement or wisdom someone else needs to take the next step in their health journey. If you found value in this video, please consider sending us a super thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Also, check out our merchandise for some great finds that can support your journey to better health. Your engagement helps us grow and continue bringing valuable information to our community. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand and enhance our immune health. Here's to your health, happiness, and a life lived in harmony with nature. See you in the next video.